Hi guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this party puff puff, how I molded and how I fried it. I got up to 280 pieces, so feel free to watch this video to the end. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, make sure to click on the subscribe button and open up your notification bell so that you will not be missing my new videos. Okay, I have my 2 kgs of flour. I have my 5 tablespoons of yeast. This is yeast powder. I have my condensed milk flavor. This salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. This I have 3 nutmeg seed that I grated, 4 tablespoons of pepper. I have my sugar, 1.5 cup. I have my grated onions. So it's time to mix. I'll be using a big cooler to mix this, but first I'll be taking a tablespoon of sugar to my yeast and I'll add warm water, not hot water, warm water to it, and I will stir and cover for it to activate our yeast. Okay, I'll be using a big cooler to mix, so I'll add in my flour, 2 kgs of flour. I'll be adding every dry ingredients, all the ingredients. I'll add my nutmeg, mix together. Just wash your hand, you use your hand to mix. The sugar, I'll add in salt. You can see our yeast has already foamed up, so I've added, so I need to start mixing. And you start adding your warm water. This is warm water, and just lukewarm water. You don't need to make it hot, just lukewarm. Just start mixing bit by bit. Add your water little at a time so that the batter will not be running. Make sure it's drawing. I added the fresh pepper, but I didn't add all to check the strength of the fresh pepper. I added my grated onion. Mix, take your time to mix together. Mix very well and you cover. Okay, I've not added my condensed milk. This 3 tablespoons of condensed milk flavor. Just a 3 tablespoons. I'll incorporate everything. So you can see how the butter is looking. It's drawing, it's not running. So I'll cover it at this point. I'll cover it and allow it for 40 minutes before I start frying. After 40 minutes, I opened it before. Now you can see the extent the foam came up. Just that immediately air entered, it started deflecting. So right now it's time to start molding. So make sure you watch carefully as I mold so that you will learn how to mold your patty puff puff. Pretty easy and nice. Don't allow your batter to run, please. It's very important. If it's running, you will not be comfortable much. But you can see it's sticking and it's drawing. This is a nice texture we are looking at. So let's start molding. You can see how it's dropping, pretty nice. So feel free to enjoy the rest of the video. If you're new to my channel, this is the first time of watching my video, please feel free to subscribe. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new videos, so that if I drop any new video, you will get an alert. So feel free to subscribe to this channel, open up your notification bell so that if I drop any new video, you will get an alert. Friends and family, feel free to give me some thumbs up, like this video. If you have not liked it, click on the like button. It's important you like my video so that other people will be able to see it. So just click on the thumbs up, click or give me some thumbs up. Feel free to like this video, feel free to comment, and also feel free to ask questions. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to join this lovely channel. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting a lot of my new video. If I drop any new video, you will get a lot. To my old subscribers, you're all welcome back again. Thank you so much for coming around. You can see our party puff is ready. Our puff is ready. Don't forget to like this video. If you have not liked it, please give me some thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.